Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If your house is feeling like total chaos and you're stuck going round and round in circles, this video is definitely for you. Today we're doing a full house speed clean, restocking the kids snacks, budget friendly meal prep that you and the kids will absolutely love, I promise you. Basically we're doing a full reset just to make life easier again. This was filmed just before half term, but my camera broke, we had Easter, 2 birthdays, and it was chaos. So in my head today, if it all goes to plan, I'm going to whiz around the whole house, give it a quick speed clean, nothing perfect. We're focusing on progress, not perfection. And I would like to stock up on some snacks for the kids, organise a few drawers in the kitchen, try and declutter the toy drawers before Hope comes back from school, and get on top of the laundry situation. Am I covering the mic? I can't see. My glasses look really weird. Hello. My glasses are on the top of my head, so yeah, I've got that panicky, anxious energy. I can't get my words out. I may as well start in here because this isn't, it looks a mess, but it's not that bad. There's a pizza box outside. Oh God, they didn't empty our bin. I don't know why I'm telling you that, but I'm just going to try and get as much done as I can today to try and avoid being burnt out over the 2 weeks that the kids are off. I love having them off, don't get me wrong, but they do drive me insane. All 3 of them argue. You wouldn't think it because of the age gaps, but they do, and I'm just like, oh, I can't take it anymore. So let's get on top of our house and get as much done as we can. So grab your cleaning stuff and clean along with me, or grab a cuppa and some snacks, and I'll see you guys in a bit. And because my camera broke, I lost the footage of the befores. It's basically the same. So this is what it looks like now, and this is what I'm going to be cleaning in the next video. So make sure you're subscribed and the notifications are on so you don't miss that one. Also got some new pillows, and these cases, oh, they're so gorgeous. They were only off Temu. They were about £4 each, I think, which seems a lot, but they're all about that much anyway, and these are really like, I'll show you closer up. Stay focused, Jess. But yeah, someone's left their pyjamas out. I'm not folding them up. Can go straight in the drawer. It's me having a little moan there. I'm just going to finish putting the rest of the cushions out and then get on. The other side of the room is an absolute mess. This always ends up just full of laundry. It is clean and it was folded. But while Hope loves to get dressed, if you don't know who Hope is, she's my 6-year-old daughter, and she loves to get dressed about 5 times a day. So she's always going through the washing. I'm so bad at putting the washing away. I'm good at washing it, drying it, folding it, but then it goes in here for a little longer than I want to admit. I promise I will fold that later. And it just doesn't get put away. So I'm trying to be stricter with that, and I do have a laundry video coming out soon. So I am going to crack on and get cleaning. I'm not doing anything perfect. We're focusing on progress over perfection and just trying to avoid being overwhelmed with the mess and avoid getting burnt out like I usually do. I can't remember whether I've shown you or not, but I've got a pot for my olive tree. It was $18.99 from B&M, and it's like plastic as well. I am thinking of painting it because I don't really like the colour, but just move you. Let me show you. I haven't got anything to put around it. It's got some cardboard in there broken up just to give it a bit of height. I just need something to put here now. I was going to put some cardboard and then either put some, like, you know, like the stones like this, or some fake moss to make it look a lot bigger. I did want it a bit taller, but I still need to give the leaves a little bit of a fluff as well. But I do like the way it looks. I'll put an image on screen of what ChatGPT showed me to do with this front room, and it looks so nice and cozy. It's not actually far off. But yeah. How good is it to use ChatGPT to help you like design an area of your home? I've even done it for the garden. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. I can't wait to show you. That is now empty. Right, there is some paint on here, so it's got these and a spinny brush and a wet rag. Just gonna put a bit on. Right, I'm going to stop waffling now and let you guys watch. Grab your cleaning stuff, clean along with me, or grab a cuppa and some snacks, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Sure, I said that twice.
Hope has been collecting some of these weird things from a tree by us. I don't know what to do with them. Easter. I know it's crap.
You can swim in shallow waters, but it's gonna get you nowhere. And I'm way too good to waste my time on boys like you.
Look at that.
I love these mop replacement heads for the spray mop. They were from Temu. I think they were like £10 for a pack of 4. Oh, please excuse the boxes and the bags out the back doors. We are currently doing the garden and it's taking a while. Plus they didn't empty our bin. I'm having a bit of a moan. And then I'm just showing you all the random things I end up in my hands when I'm cleaning.
Getting sidetracked because I don't even want to show you this. This is embarrassing. I was just going to hoover the stairs and run the hoover around like a crazy woman. But my hoover's all blocked up and I'm not surprised. Ugh. Let's clean that and then we'll hoover. I can actually see my hoover now. I could not see it and it wouldn't spin properly either, so that took me way longer than I thought it would, and I've actually got cramp in my hands. Took there long. Right, let's get this back in here and get on with it, shall we? I've now got 40 minutes. Shall we set a timer on my watch? Let's do 30 minutes from now.
I find that this is the best way to motivate myself to get going because I was really just flagging at this point. I didn't want to carry on and I thought I'm not going to get the whole house done. It looks very, very tidy, but if I could show you the befores, if my camera hadn't broke, then you would see it was such a mess and it was such a transformation. But yeah, anyway, come back for next week's video and here's the upstairs and a bit of reality, and you can see I was like, nope, not happy, but I'll embrace it. And then I went to clean the bathroom, noticed there was a fork in my pocket. Of course there is. I'd obviously found it as I was cleaning and thought I'll put that in the kitchen, but popped it in my pocket instead. Now I'm taking down the shower curtain because it is disgusting and it just needs replacing. In fact, most of this bathroom actually needs replacing.
Actually ridiculously sweaty now, and this room needs way longer than just a quick speed clean. It's disgusting. I just took the shower curtain down because it was vile and I'm just all over the place. I'm just going to give this a quick speed clean and then I'll be back.
I do have plans to absolutely gut this bathroom soon, take all the old silicone from around the bath and the sink and redo them and the grout. Also paint the walls because this paint hasn't, it's just so bad. Every time the kids splat like their gel up the wall or their toothpaste, it just sticks to the paint. It's not the best for bathrooms, so I'm going to be redoing that soon and give it a little bit of a facelift on a budget as always, because we need to watch the pennies round here. And I am just going to shove everything back in these, not do anything perfect, just give it a quick wipe, because I think sometimes you have to sacrifice how well you do something so you can do more of it, if that makes sense. Like if I was to properly deep clean this bathroom, then I wouldn't have time to go over everywhere else, and I usually avoid starting because I can't do it perfect, and done not perfect is better than not done. Sort of spreading myself thinly over all of the house to try and get it all done. Like I said, not perfectly, and just surface clean. It looks clean, it feels clean. I'm now going to put this new shower curtain from Temu. It looks and feels like really nice quality, but I will say it does not keep the water out, so I will be replacing that soon. I love how it looks, and this also needs replacing. It's vile and it's all discoloured. It was there when we moved in, but just never replaced it. Like I said, this is not perfect, but it's done and it's clean. I'm just going to empty the bin, pop that back in the bathroom and get rid of this old shower curtain. I'm going to chuck that downstairs so I don't forget. And please excuse all the junk. It's got to go in the loft. Actually is cleared as I'm doing this voiceover, but you guys will probably see that in the next video. I'm just going to give my eldest son's room a quick hoover. They keep their rooms really tidy, the boys do. They're really good. But every now and then I just want to go in and wipe it down, spray, give it a little hoover, just to keep on top of it. Hope's room, however, is a complete and utter disaster. And to this day, I thought, you know what, if I get stuck in her room, it's just going to take too long and we'll do it together after school. And like you can see, I was just hoovering around junk. But I did do my other son's room as well, but he was in there. So my ribs were hurting at this point. I was like, I've had enough. But yeah, this is as far as I've done, and the timer did go off as well. So it was time to go on the school run, try and make myself look a bit more decent because I was all sweaty.
Right, that's upstairs done, front room done, hallway landing done, bedrooms done-ish. And then we've got this absolute mess in here, but it's time for the school run now, so I'm going to try and fix my face of sweat, take this bag of rubbish out, and then I will see you when yeah, I think what I'm going to have to do is do the rest of the house. Well, there's only the downstairs bathroom and the kitchen, which is probably the worst. And I've done the whole house in one day. Not perfectly at all. There's still junk corners. And you could probably say... Just chuck that outside. Sort it out later. Hold on. Make sure the door's locked.
And if I'm completely honest, today after the school run wasn't a good day. Life just happens sometimes, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to wake up and start again. And had my HelloFresh boxes delivered, and I'll tell you why I love them. Everything comes in the box. I don't have to worry about going out and getting any ingredients, or if we have enough of this, enough of that. It's just all there. It's taken care of. I pick my meals. It all comes in these boxes. In there, the sauces, the little cheeses, everything for every meal. It just takes the stress out of it. It's all organised. Like, I just don't have to worry about it. I go online, pick whatever meals I want, and it sends exactly how much you need for each person as well, so I can really stick to a budget. I love that you can pick whether it's family friendly, high protein. You can even get little kiddie meals, which this is a box I ordered when we went to stay at my mum's. As you guys know, I'm always house sitting for my mum, but I didn't know what ingredients she had in. I couldn't be asked to do a food shop, so I was just like, do you know what, we're going to grab a HelloFresh box, and then dinner is sorted. Some of the meals that we have cooked are so easy and quick and tasty, and they're healthy as well, which helps with my waistline and my mom guilt. And some of them are done in under 15 minutes, so you don't have to spend hours cooking. And have a 50% off code that I will leave in the description and the comments for you guys and on screen. If you want to give them a try, I highly recommend them. It makes my life much easier. And then all I have to worry about is stocking up on the kids' pop. Please mind, I do have teenagers. That's why there's fizzy pop and us adults drink. The little one is obviously having squash and juice. And I've also got some healthier kind of snacks. This wasn't very aesthetically restocking, was it? No. So I'm trying to put some little breakfast bars in there. The crisps have already been gotten into, even though I'd just done a food shop. So I'm looking for somewhere to hide them, and then I can just trickle them out one by one, and they won't get eaten over the 2 weeks that the kids were off. Spoiler alert, they did find them and did eat them all. Now I'm on to cooking dinner, and the RoboVac is on a schedule, so she's just going to take care of the kitchen floor for me, which is good because I am a messy cook. This is one of the HelloFresh meals, and it is our favourite by far. It's this one, and I've ordered it so many times. I've got about 3 of the same card. But I do notice every other time they do add a different ingredient, so sometimes I'll just add different things in. And then the next day we decided to make some high protein, budget friendly family sausage muffins. They're like the McDonald's sausage muffins. I'll pop on screen everything that I use. I made 12 of them, and they worked out at 71p each. If you wanted to add an egg to them, it'd be 95p each, but each one had over 25 grams of protein, and it was 40% less fat than the McDonald's ones as well, so they were quite a healthy-ish option, and they filled the kids up for ages, so they weren't moaning, I'm hungry every 5 minutes. And it felt like a naughty treat as well. It was something really easy that they could grab. It saved me time, and they just popped them in the microwave straight from the freezer for 2 minutes, and then just add your cheese slice. And as you can see, one of the nights, can't remember when this was, I had a glass of wine and decided I'm going to paint my my front door black. And if you want to see how it turned out, then you'll have to come back for the next video, and I will show you guys in that one. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give that HelloFresh code a go if you want to try them. I highly recommend them and love them. It makes my life easier, and that is all what I'm about. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
I would never thought that you could be causing these problems. It smells so bright with eyes like these diamonds. Caution.